So to beat the stress of COVID-19, I think we have to understand some intervention, some exercises relating to happiness. है ना, इतना stress level increase हो गया that we have to increase our happiness to adjust in our daily lives. तो कुछ exercises हैं, कुछ activities हैं which I will be sharing with you. और आप be ready with a pen and paper, right? So that we can perform some activities, we can make it interesting. And I'm always there for you, always available for you for any of your problems, any of your doubts, any of your queries. You can call me, you can mail me your queries, right? I hope this COVID-19 gets over soon so that we can meet, right? So I'm sharing a PPT with you, beta. Please pay attention. Is it visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the topic of today? Let's beat COVID-19 pandemic by augmenting happiness. So we have to beat this COVID by increasing or by augmenting our happiness levels, right? So what makes you all happy? आप लोग बता सकते हो आपका happiness level किस चीज से determine होता है? हाँ जी मीनल. Loveleen.
Happiness depends, ma'am. There are certain days when you just wake up and you feel happy. On the other days, everything is fine, but you don't feel like it. So I think it's just a state of mind. It takes time.
Ma'am, are you by chance talking about the serotonin or dopamine levels or what? You you're on mute, ma'am. If you're saying something, we cannot hear you.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Beta, we can talk about serotonin, dopamine. So what do you think, which neurotransmitter is responsible for increasing happiness? I think you are from psychology background, Meenal.
Kirti this side, ma'am. No, we've just normally read about all these things.
Okay.
Sorry, so I just did not catch your question. Like, did you mean like technically what happiness is, or like what makes us feel happy? Like,
Generally, I'm asking, what makes you happy? Is it money? Is it relationships? Is it daily pleasures? I mean, what is it?
Sorry,
For
ma'am, to
me,
disturb you.
Hanji,
Actually, Lakshmi is waiting in the waiting room.
he's waiting.
In waiting room.
some people might be in the queue, ma'am.
Just a second. Thank you, Karan. I think we have admitted both of them. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I was talking that what makes you happy. आप लोग अपने व्यूज शेयर कर सकते हैं. इज इट मनी, इज इट रिलेशनशिप्स, और व्हाट इज इट? Getting good marks or enjoying the daily pleasures? So what is it according to you that makes you happy?
And for me, it would be engagement. As in, if I'm doing something and I'm completely engaged in that moment, then that's the best part. Like that
Very
gives
true,
me some
Beta.
kind of
I like it.
productiveness.
Yes. I
So
think that
that
is the
makes
real happiness. Happiness from within.
right. I
Any
think
other? Karan? Loveleen?
I'm I mean, happiness is a state of mind, ma'am.
Okay.
Changes from days to day, and one day you might feel very low, on the other day you might feel very happy.
But yes, but how can we sustain that day? कि हमें daily happiness level, our happiness level can be increased. I think we have to work on intentionally. We have to take some intentional activities so that we can be happy, right? So
Well,
I'll be
like
sharing some intentional activities that can make you happy.
to motivate ourselves and doing the always the meditation.
Okay. ठीक है, Karan. So we'll be starting with a mental health advisory. I think it is more important to read this advisory. So in this pandemic, in COVID-19, it is very common for all of us to experience distress and anxiety. I hope आप लोगों ने भी, क्योंकि कोविड का टाइम ऐसा था 3-4 months का, सबको डिस्ट्रेस भी हुआ है, एंजाइटी भी हुआ है, which has destroyed our mental health and level of happiness. So we have to increase our happiness for being grateful for what we have. So being grateful means कि every time you are doing शुक्राना, right, for what all you have. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, when we count our blessings and our burdens, so we think that our blessings are more in comparison to the burden. So we have to try and look in for ways which can augment our happiness level. So this is my basic question, that what makes you happy? So I think Kirti has given me the right answer, और सब लोगों ने आपने कुछ अच्छा शेयर किया है कि this makes me happy, right? So when we have to understand that what is happiness, तो कोई हम फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन नहीं दे सकते हैं. इट इंक्लूड्स जॉय, इट इज प्राइड, इट इज कंटेंटमेंट, इट इज सेटिस्फैक्शन. जैसे आप लोग कह रहे हैं कि किसी काम में इतनी एंगेज हो जाते हैं हम, दैट वी फील मच मोर कंटेंटेड एंड मच मोर सेटिस्फाइड, राइट? सो a recent research indicates, हमें हमेशा लगता है कि जो मेरे circumstances हैं, my circumstances are governing my happiness, but it is not. See, this research it indicates that 50% of our happiness level is through heredity, from genetics, and circumstances only account for 10% of the happiness level, and 40% is because of intentional activity. So see, you can't change your heredity level, you can't change your set point. So what we can change is 40%, that is intentional activities, but we have to perform it on regular basis. So intentional activity is not a medicine जो आप आज करोगे and you will be much more happier. You have to continue for 6 months, 1 year, or maybe more than that. So हमें हमेशा लगता है कि देखो मेरे लाइफ में इतना कुछ बुरा हो रहा है and I am not happy. But see, the research indicates that life circumstances only account for 10% of the happiness. Right? We can't change our set point, but yes, we can change our intentional activity. We can work on improving our circumstances. So this workshop, these activities basically focus on intentional activities to increase happiness. Right? Are you getting my viewpoint? So there is a lesson for you for whole of the life कि 40% happiness is governed by yourself. आपके कंट्रोल में है ये 40% happiness, to gain it or to lose it, right? Moving on to next slide. What are intentional activities? Right? देखो हमें हर चीज का नेगेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं देखना है. वी हैव टू सी अ पॉजिटिव साइड. फॉर एग्जांपल आपको पिक्चर में दिया हुआ है इम्पॉसिबल, राइट? वी हैव टू कट द आई एम एंड वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द पॉसिबल एस्पेक्ट. अनेबल, Nothing is unable. We have to cut down the UN and we have to be able for everything. So see, you can read it. Intentional activities where you can exert the most control if you want to increase your own happiness. So intentional activities का आपका पूरा control है intentional activities पे. And what are intentional activities? These are skills and strategies that you learn. Right? In the last, I'm writing, happy people experience hardships like we all do, but their response to it is to bounce back and be resilient. आप लोग देख रहे होंगे आजकल केबीसी की भी जो टैगलाइन है कि आपको बाउंस बैक करना है, सेटबैक का जवाब आपको कम बैक से देना है, राइट? तो बाउंसिंग, रेजिलियंसी मींस कैपेसिटी टू बाउंस बैक. आपके साथ एक बार कुछ बुरा हो चुका है, राइट? या तो यू हैव टू बाउंस बैक इन योर लाइफ. अगर आप बाउंस बैक कर जाते हैं, आई थिंक यू आर मोर देन अ हैप्पियर पीपल, राइट? You will be much happier. So the task is to bounce back in life. Setbacks सबको लगते हैं, right? Everyone has bad phases, but then you have to bounce back. आपको हार नहीं माननी है लाइफ में. You have to increase your happiness by bouncing back.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am, but I think a few more people are waiting.
Okay,
in the
beta,
queue.
thank you. I think it is just Mehak who is waiting. Anyone else is waiting, Kirti?
I guess not, ma'am. She only texted in the class group, I think. That's all.
Thank you. So basically now it is the new era of happiness. So what is the new era? You have to focus on your strengths, which shows your optimal functioning and flourishing. So just remember this tagline for whole of your life. In addition to fixing what's wrong, we have to focus on building what's strong. So rather than focusing on what is wrong, fixing the wrong things, we have to focus on building what's strong. We have to focus on strong things rather than fixing on what is wrong in our life, right? We can focus on building what is strong in our life. So this is our motto. This should be your motto. So to understand happiness, what is happiness? It is a state of well-being, right? Which involves satisfaction in the three aspects of life. We have three lives. One is pleasant life. Pleasant life means enjoying daily pleasures. For example, आप किसी friend के साथ coffee के लिए गए, or you have gone for a movie. So that is daily pleasure. Or you have bought an iPhone, you have bought a BMW, anything. So pleasant life includes the daily pleasures. Second life is good life. Good life is using skills for enrichment. For example, skills means that you are hopeful that something good will happen. So that is a good life. Then third is meaningful life, contributing to the greater good. That means helping others to solve their problems, moving one step ahead. That is a meaningful life, giving meaning to your life. So happiness is a combination of three lives: pleasant life, good life, and meaningful life. Loveleen, can you tell me what three lives are involved in happiness, beta?
Sorry, ma'am.
What three lives are involved in the happiness? What three aspects of life?
Present life, meaningful life, and good life.
So which life is, according to you, holds much more relevance?
I think meaningful life.
Yes. What all is involved in meaningful life?
Having a meaning to the life, having a motive to do something. That is the actual meaning of life, I believe.
Rajan? Rajan, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So, beta, what according to you is the most important aspect of life for improving our happiness?
I don't know, ma'am. I'm bad at psychology, so I guess.
Beta, it is not about psychology. It is just about understanding the concept of happiness. that we have three aspects of life. Pleasant life is means that you are enjoying daily pleasures. आप कोई मूवी देख के आए हो, आप कॉफी पी के आए हो फ्रेंड के साथ, आप कहीं घूम के आए हो, you are feeling good. But good life is you are improving your skills. आप कुछ अच्छी habits inculcate कर रहे हो, है ना? आप gratitude कर रहे हो, आप शुक्राना कर रहे हो daily का, you are praying daily. And meaningful life is you are helping others to deal with their problems. So it is not about psychology, it is just about increasing our happiness level. I think हम सब लोग खुश रहना चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. Yes,
मैम
Rajan?
फिर तो डिपेंड करेगा पर्सन टू पर्सन, किसी को किसी दूसरे के लिए करके अच्छा लगता है, किसी को अपना लाइफ में एंजॉय करके हैप्पीनेस मिलती है, तो सो
बिल्कुल
बंदा दूसरी
बिल्कुल.
तरफ
आपको
ध्यान नहीं
बेटा
देता.
किस चीज से हैप्पीनेस मिलती है?
मैम प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स.
Playing sports. That
यस
means good life,
यस.
right? You are using your skills for enrichment.
So, Rajan, what I feel the aim of a human being is to have a meaningful life. So we need to move from pleasant life to good life, and ultimately to meaningful life.
Yes, yes, true, sir.
Okay,
But
sir.
yes, Rajan is doing good. At least he is focusing on good life so that he can move to the meaningful life. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Sugandha? Sugandha, can you hear me, beta? Which
Yes,
life,
ma'am.
according to you, is much more important for improving happiness?
Ma'am, my answer is like I love to have pleasant life plus meaningful life.
Acha, you want to have pleasant life plus meaningful life. But beta, to attain meaningful life, I think we have to go through pleasant life to good life and to meaningful life. To attain meaning in life, we have to adopt the principles of good skills for enrichment, for satisfaction, for well-being. Right? So I think it is happiness is a culmination of pleasant life and good life and meaningful life. So moving on to our first exercise. First exercise is counting blessings versus burdens. तो आप लोग को जो भी लगता है कि लाइफ में इतनी सारी blessings हैं, है ना? There are many things in our lives, both large and small, that we might be grateful about. So counting your blessing means thinking about the time in a day when you were at your best and that was very satisfying to you. आपको जो भी अपने लाइफ में blessings लगती हैं, for example, having good parents, having good friends, or just for a cup of going for a cup of coffee. So देखो blessings के example हैं. It can be to God for giving me so much of determination, है ना? It can be for wonderful parents, or the example can be to the Lord. Be thankful to the Lord for just another day. So these are the examples of the blessings. And burdens can be that financing are depleting quickly. That these times, in the times of COVID-19, at least we should all feel blessed that we are alive. है ना? We are
Nidhi
alive
madam,
because of the grace of God.
Nidhi madam, you can check some madam wants to join.
Oh.
Just
Sure, sir. Right, sir?
Can you explain a meaningful life again?
For what, beta?
Can you explain meaningful life again in brief?
Yeah, sure, beta. We can go back to this slide. So, meaningful life is basically when we are doing good for others, right? For example, आप किसी फ्रेंड ने आपसे कुछ मनी के लिए बोला कि आई नीड सम मनी, और आपने देखा कि इवन यू डोंट हैव इट, और यू ओनली हैव द सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, बट येट यू हेल्प हिम और हर. कि helping others at your own cost, that is a meaningful life, giving meaning to your life. दैट इज altruistic behavior. आप कभी देखना किसी को फॉर एग्जाम्पल रोड पे कोई एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ना, और ही और शी इज इन अ डायर नीड टू हेल्प, और आप कुछ हेल्प कर देते हो उनकी, यू माइट टेक हिम और हर टू द हॉस्पिटल, you will feel much more happier. He or she will thank you so much that you will feel much more happier. That is a meaningful life. That will add meaning to your life कि आप कुछ बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, which provides you inner happiness. So that is the meaningful life, Karan. आपने कभी कुछ ऐसा किया है, कभी कोई इंस्टेंस ऐसा हुआ हो जिससे आपको लगा हो कि यू हैव added a meaning to your life? और I think अगर मुझे लगता है for me what is meaningful life, अगर आज मेरी क्लास अटेंड करके even 1% gets benefited या 1% starts doing these activities, I'll be much more happy. That will be a meaningful life to me.
मैं फिर आज की जनरेशन ऐसा क्यों बोला जाता है कि हमको खुद का सोचना चाहिए, दूसरों का नहीं सोचना चाहिए?
नहीं बेटा, आपने सुना होगा, इवन सब लोग कहते हैं ना कि कर भला तो हो भला, है ना? अगर आप किसी के लिए बेटर करते हो देन यू अचीव, दो इट इज ऑल अबाउट कर्मा. अगर हमारा कर्मा ऐसा होगा वी विल गेट, अगर इफ वी विल हैव गुड कर्मा देन वी कैन अटेन मेनी गुड थिंग्स इन आवर लाइफ.
ओके मैम,
राइट?
ओके, थैंक यू।
करण, आपके साथ कोई ऐसा इंस्टेंस हुआ बेटा दैट यू वांट टू शेयर विद अस?
Yeah ma'am, but in personally I can share.
Okay beta, no problem.
Yeah.
So we are talking about this first activity, that we have so many blessings to count rather than burdens. Burdens can be, for example, studying in the times of COVID-19, online examinations ho rahe hain, so you might feel burden, but there is a blessing also, at least you are alive in this time of COVID-19. So we are doing an activity on this topic. See this picture, complaints and gratitude. Gratitude कोई भी नहीं करना चाहता. The queue for complaints is much more longer. We are complaining the whole day. मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ वो हो गया, मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा, मेरे साथ ही क्यों ऐसा होता है, बाकी सबके साथ क्यों नहीं होता. We are complaining the whole day, the whole of our life, but we are not at all grateful. Gratitude doesn't mean saying thank you. Thank you तो हम आते जाते सबको बोल देते हैं. तो gratitude is a much one step ahead than thank you. Gratitude means doing शुक्राना, कि शुक्र है भगवान जी आपने ये किया, है ना? आप अपने पेरेंट्स को कभी आपने शुक्राना किया? Have you shown gratitude to your parents someday? Please do it today, है ना? उनके feet touch करके, I think, and to your teachers, to your parents, to your elder siblings, you can say that I am much more grateful to you for providing me so many things, for providing me all the opportunities. You are studying in such a big institute, PML SD Business School, right? So you should be grateful to your parents. You should be grateful to this institution. So हमने अपना attitude life का बदलना है. We have to change our attitudes rather than focusing on complaints or the burdens. We have to focus on gratitude and blessings. So this is our first activity. Please be ready with the pen and paper. Counting blessings versus burden. So you can write any two blessings or burdens. Right? So we have to make a comparison. If we start writing blessings are more than burdens, we should be blessed to have such a great life. है ना? We are eating 3 meals a day. That is also a blessing. We are having such good parents. We are educated. We are driving a car. We are having a phone. Right? So these all are our blessings. We might have good siblings. We might have good friends. That are all blessings. So see, blessings are so many and burdens are so less. So you can jot down 3-4 points so that we can share, we can have a discussion on these points. And these activities, ये कोई medicine नहीं है. This is not a pill जो आपने आज खाई या आज लिखा and you will be much more happier. You have to practice these activities for at least 6 months or for whole of your life. Remember, these all are intentional activities. I showed you a research which shows that 50% of our happiness is governed by the heredity or the genetics, but 40% of the happiness level is governed by the intentional activities, and 10% is because of our circumstances. and we keep on thinking the whole life कि मेरे circumstances बुरे हैं तो मेरा happiness level नहीं है, right? But remember 40% happiness is because of these activities only. So please start writing. I am giving you 2 minutes to write. It is 9:38. You can write it till 9:40 and you can share your points with me.
Ma'am, can you remove that chat disable option?
Sushil sir, students want to disable the chat box so that they can write something.
I need to check because you are the host. I'm coming, madam. Just one second. Yes. Please check, students, do chat is enabled or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You can raise your hand because we need to check, right? Or you can ask questions.
Beta, you can unmute yourself and you can ask.
Right. So for the time being, you can unmute and ask question, right?
Okay, sir.
Right. So, you can stand.
So all of you are writing about this activity. Lavneen, have you written, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I have. Hello.
Vrinda, are you writing?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Hanji, beta, you are audible.
I've done.
Can you list 2-3 blessings?
Okay. So first of all, my parents. My
Okay.
parents are my biggest blessings. I have a story to tell,
Okay.
so I can relate how important I think life is. So in the year 2015, I met with an accident.
Okay.
I had a head injury,
Okay.
and so there was a memory lapse. I couldn't remember anything for
Oh my God.
2-3 days, and I remember I was on the bed in the hospital. The news was running from right hand to the left hand, right at the bottom of the screen. I wasn't able to read anything.
Okay.
So it took me around 6-7 months to come back to my real form. I still have memory issues. So what I mean to say is that I have seen death very closely, and I can relate how important life is. And
But beta, you are such a strong person. So happy to meet you, lovely. So proud of you, beta.
so yeah, thank you, ma'am. So I want to say that yes, my parents are really important for me. I've realized it, how much they love me and how much important they are throughout my life. So this was the biggest blessing. And the burdens, stress levels, anxiety due to the trauma and due to the accident, obviously. The brain is not in its best form. It's been around 5 years now.
Okay.
So I got treated this year in 2000, in January at Fortis. So there was some problems, and finally I've regained. The pain is gone, and I can balance myself easily now. I can play, I can run. So things are sorted
Such
for
a
now.
great blessing, Loveleen. I think you are the most blessed in our group, beta.
That's why I shared it.
Really felt nice.
I don't
Loveleen.
usually share this.
Huh?
Yes, no, I don't usually share this, but somehow I felt like I should explain this to you.
I'm so happy listening to your story. My happiness level has increased today. Thank you.
Ma'am, I
beta.
want to clap for him. He is such a positive man that
Actually,
he is
true.
sharing in front of us.
Very true. I think we should all clap for her.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hats off to you, lovely.
Thank you.
Anyone else who wants to share his or her experience or a blessing? Kirti, Mehak, Meenal, anyone, beta, Yuvraj, Vrinda, Sugandha? Anyone wants to share his or her views?
Blessings, like I think it is good to start with the basics always, like the food we eat,
Yes.
like varieties of food. We have options to choose from, clean,
Yes.
fresh food and water.
True.
And the function, like I'm grateful for a functional mind, body and senses. Like we are able and we are free to think. We are
Very
free
good,
to
beta.
move.
This is what I
think
wanted
these
to
are
listen. We should start from basics.
Then we have roof over our heads, and we are so privileged if we think about it.
True.
That counts as the basic blessings for me.
Nice, Kirti. Vrinda,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, can you share 2-3 points? Can you switch on your
Ma'am.
video?
Yes, just a second. Ma'am, about a blessing, I think I have best parents in my life.
Okay.
I'm leading a healthy life,
Okay.
and for now, at this stage of my life, I don't have any worries. I don't have any burden. So these are the few things I feel I'm totally blessed with.
Good, beta. Mehak? Mehak Mohindru?
Yes.
Mehak, can you listen to me, beta?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Can you switch on your video, please? I hope I'm not disturbing you.
Yes.
Mehak,
Hello.
can you share 2-3 things, beta? 2-3 blessings?
Ma'am, actually, I'm not well.
Okay, beta. Not an issue, beta. Not an issue.
Not able
Beta,
to
can you
speak.
share, beta? Richa Sharma?
That's our economics teacher, ma'am. That's the faculty member.
Sorry.
Ma'am can also share their views also.
Karan, can you share any of your blessing, beta?
Ma'am, personally, I do not believe in my life
Okay.
because I hate my life as well. Because in my life, from the past 10 years, I am suffering from OCD.
OCD, okay.
Yeah, and ma'am, in life, every you say up and downs, but मुझको life का मतलब नहीं पता, बस मुझको तब life में मेरे से parents exist करते हैं. I love my parents only, nothing else. लेकिन मैम life OCD की वजह से एक ऐसा situation आ चुका है particular point of view कि मुझको +2 के बाद कॉलेज लाइफ में आकर सुसाइड करना पड़ा था. First time that I was done a suicide that case. So suicide किया तो ICI में फिनाइल की गोली खा ली थी, तो डिप्रेस पूरा था. मैं पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट होगा डिप्रेशन की वजह से पूरा हो चुका था.
So beta, you have to take counseling sessions for OCD, Karan?
No, actually my counselor is going to Dr. Sudha Jain in Sector 34, Chandigarh.
Okay.
Yeah, So ma'am, in my graduation there's 3 years, and 1.5 year I was sitting in my hometown only.
But beta,
So
this
ma'am,
is a blessing. At least you are going to Sudha ma'am. This is a blessing for you.
yeah ma'am, this is blessings. But ma'am, after to recovering from my past situation, like when I recovered from everything, so suddenly steps taken disaster step again, that my brother that gone away, and that way it's very difficult to me to come over again. So ma'am, at the point of in the last 2019, in the month of September, like हमारे घर में चोर आ गए थे, मतलब चोरी करने टाइप का आ गए थे. तो दे वाज यूजिंग टू, उन्होंने बांध कर रख दिया एक रूम में, उनको बांध कर रख दिया. तो कब वो रन अवे करने लगे थे, तो दे आर जस्ट टू अ डिजास्टिक स्टेप, लाइक उन्होंने मारने की कोशिश की, एंड लाइक उन्होंने गंदा काम भी टाइप का, लाइक वी यूजुअली मेक केम टू नो दैट गर्ल का रेप होना, वो वगैरह ऐसे सिचुएशन उन्होंने सब कुछ किया था. तो फिर से उन्होंने, मतलब उनका डर बैठ गया था कि मैं कुछ ना कर पाऊँ. तो उन्होंने जस्ट कुछ पाउडर टाइप का होता है वो उन्होंने खिलवाया, ऐसी जबरदस्ती खिलवाया. तो कैसे मजे का मैं रन अवे किया, मम्मी डैड को बताया, वो भाग गए थे. तो कब हमने मेरा टेस्ट करवाया था, तो डॉक्टर ने बोला कि उसने मतलब नींद की गोलियों के साथ वो कौन सा वो होता है, पाउडर टाइप का होता है, मतलब पाउडर ड्रग्स टाइप का था, वो खिलवाया गया था. तो इन माय लाइफ आई डोंट बिलीव इन एनीवन एल्स, बट अगर हम ब्लेसिंग बात करते हैं, तो मैं से अपने पेरेंट्स के ऊपर ब्लेस हूं दैट दे हैव सपोर्टेड मी इन एवरी सिचुएशन.
I understand, beta, you have gone through a tough time, but yes, I'm happy that at least you are able to bounce back in your life, right? At least you are trying to lead a normal life now, so that is a blessing for you.
Yes, मतलब नॉर्मल लाइफ होती है, लाइक 2 दिन अच्छा रहना, फिर वही 5 दिन पास का सीन याद आ जाना, फिर 2 दिन अच्छा है. तो आई हेट दैट लाइफ. बट यूजुअली कभी उसको कोई टेंशन होती है, तो आई रन अवे टू माय पेरेंट्स, आई टॉक टू देम एंड दे गिव मी सॉल्यूशन, देन आई वर्क ऑन इट.
Yes, beta, but you have to take good care of yourself, right?
Yes ma'am.
So moving on to exercise 2. Second exercise is thanking your heroes. Right. So you have to select any one important person from the past who has made a major positive difference in your life, right? And to whom you have never fully expressed your thanks. And please do not confuse this selection with your newfound romantic love, right? So, for example, it can be your mother, father, your grandparents, your siblings, or any significant others, your teacher, anybody, right? So, you have to thank your heroes. आपको लगता है ना कि लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसा important person था who has impacted my life significantly. So you have to write this letter, you have to post this letter, or you can WhatsApp him or her, or you can meet personally and give that letter. See, you will be much more happier, right? So be ready with the pen and paper. We are doing second activity, writing and sharing gratitude letter. आप लोग letter बाद में लिख सकते हैं, but at least you can jot down 4-5 important points, or you can jot down the name of that person to whom you want to give this letter, right? To start doing this, any hero in your life to whom you want to dedicate this letter or few lines, you can jot down the important points, you can jot down the names to whom you want to thank. And gratitude is not just saying thank you, it is feeling शुक्राना from inside. For example, आप किसी को जाके बस thank you नहीं बोल दोगे, you have to say, for example, आप अपने parents को जाके gratitude letter दे रहे हो, तो you have to tell them कि thank you for giving me such a beautiful life, right? Thank you for everything. Thank you for giving birth to me. Thank you for upbringing me. Thank you for my schooling. Thanks for everything. You have to express it. You have to express yourself in the gratitude letter. Meenal, you can jot down beta few of your points.
Ma'am, we have to write whom we want to dedicate this letter, or few points what we want to say to them.
You have to even write down the name to whom you want to dedicate this letter and for what reasons, main reasons, highlights.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anmol, can you share a few of your points? Anmol Gupta.
Yes, ma'am. Good
Can
morning.
you share beta few of your points? आप किसको dedicate करना चाहोगे? Who is your hero?
My parents, my teachers, and my friends.
Okay, beta.
All these have remained my heroes throughout my life. So there were various situations like when I needed them the most, they have been standing by my side.
Good. So you are grateful to them?
Yes, ma'am.
So please go and tell your parents today. Touch their feet and tell them you are much more grateful to them. I think by doing this, you will spread happiness to yourself and to your mama and papa.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshit, what have you written? Lakshit, am I audible, beta? Lakshit, are you listening to me? Okay, Kirti, what have you written, beta?
Ma'am, this is to a friend that I met, I think 5-6 years ago.
Okay.
So she was a random stranger initially, but she could give me that safe space, like safe, open space to talk about things that I'd never talked about. So up until this date, I mean, we don't see each other very often. She, she lives apart, वैसे भी. So I'm grateful to have that one person in my life.
Okay.
And I aspire to be like her, to be able to open myself up for other people. And I often tell her that as well. And it's so great. It's her birthday on 1st October. So I'm literally going to send a picture of this note to her.
Please,
thank you for making us do
send
this.
her, beta. She'll be much more happier.
Thank you so much for making
And
us
I
do
think
this.
you will also feel much more happier by sending her this.
Definitely, yes.
Okay, beta. So moving on to our third exercise. Third exercise, what we were talking about is to identify and use your signature strengths. Signature strengths means I'll be showing you a chart of 24 strengths. Out of those 24 strengths, you have to write your top 5 strengths. So your top 5 strengths becomes your signature strengths that we are talking about. That we should identify and use our signature strengths. I'll be showing you a chart of 24 strengths. You have to select your 5 strengths out of this. So your task is to identify your top 5 strengths, try using them in new ways, and it is proven to make you happier. So let's move on to the third activity. This is knowing your strengths or identifying your strengths. So these are the 24 character strengths, right? See the VIA classification of character strengths and virtues. So ये एक research हुई है happiness से related कि अगर हम अपने strengths पे focus करते हैं, then we can increase our happiness level. These 6 strengths are the virtues. There are 6 types of virtues. First is wisdom and knowledge. The outer area. First is wisdom and knowledge. Second is courage. Third is humanity. Fourth is justice. Fifth is temperance. And sixth is transcendence. और इन 6 virtues के बीच में we have 24 character strengths. How many character strengths?
24.
24. So out of these 24 character strengths, we have to focus on our signature strengths, our own 5 character strengths. And these are top 5 signature strengths. आप लोगों को अपनी strengths का पता होना चाहिए. Now you have to write your 5 signature strengths out of creativity जो inside circle है. That is bravery, perseverance, honesty, jest. या फिर moving on to next circle, love, kindness, social intelligence. Then next, leadership, fairness and teamwork. Then moving on to next, then we have self-regulation, humility, forgiveness, prudence. Then again moving, spirituality, humor, hope, gratitude, appreciation of beauty and excellence. Moving on further, we have creativity, curiosity, judgment, love of learning and perspective. So these are 24 character strengths. You have to tell me your 5 signature strengths. Signature strengths means 5 top character strengths that you possess. So please write your top 5 character strengths. I think we should be aware of our own strengths. And please share with me the reason of possessing this strength. Read them carefully, all these 24 character strengths. So, आप लोगों ने पूछा नहीं, what is this VIA? This is value in action inventory. Values in action. That means कितनी values आप लोग possess करते हैं life में. VIA stands for values in action inventory for classification of character strengths and virtues. तो इन 24 character strengths में से which are your top 5? पहले तो आप लिख लोगे कि मेरे पास ये 5 strengths हैं. उसके बाद एक hierarchy भी बनाओ, which is first. Which is पहले तो आप 5 लिख लो इसमें से जो आप लोग possess करते हो. Then make a hierarchy. Number 1, which is the top 1, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. I hope it is not a difficult task for you all.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Meenal, can you share beta? Are you still writing?
No, ma'am, I can share.
Please share beta. Which are your top 5 strengths?
Love of learning.
Okay. First.
Appreciating others.
Good.
And teamwork.
Okay.
Social intelligence.
Okay.
And a kind behavior.
And a kind behavior. Good. I'm happy that first strength is love of learning. So you are
Yes,
curious
ma'am.
to learn new things?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good, but I think it will take you to heights.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Kirti, can you share, beta?
Yes, ma'am. On top, I've kept gratitude. It's something that I do generally. Then we have perspective. Number 2 is perspective. Then I have love of learning, then curiosity, and then forgiveness.
Good. Anmol, can you share your strengths, beta? Anmol Gupta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First
What?
one is curiosity.
Okay.
Second is bravery, brave attitude. Third
Okay.
is love and kindness.
ठीक है.
Fourth is leadership and teamwork.
Okay.
And fifth is forgiving attitude,
Acha. So you forgive easily?
forgiveness. Yes, ma'am.
You do not hold grudges?
Not most of the times.
Good, beta. I think
I
एक
forgive easily, ma'am.
strength है which we should all possess. That is forgiveness. Letting go. Don't hold grudges. It will destroy your happiness level and that of others also. Move on. Move on quickly. Let go of things. Don't hurt yourself and don't hurt others. So forgiveness should also be I think gratitude and forgiveness. Research shows that gratitude and forgiveness should be included in your top character strengths. I think Kirti has included, right? So our focus should be on the key character strengths. Even love of learning, we should always be curious to learn new things, right? To try new ways. So these were the activities. These are the intentional activities to increase our happiness level. But you have to practice it. You have to practice it again and again for many more months to come, for many more years. As I already told you, that 40% of our happiness depends upon these intentional activities. Right? So let's continue doing these activities for 1 month religiously. Please do them daily. Daily start writing, counting blessings and burdens, right? Or you can change your signature strengths. आपको लगता है कि आपकी top 5 character strengths कुछ और होनी चाहिए, तो आप लोग change कर सकते हैं. Start writing a letter, maybe for your parents, someday for your teacher, for your friend, for anyone to whom you want to be grateful, to your neighbors, or any person who has influenced your life. So come back and let me know. You will feel the change and difference in your perception to the concept of happiness. So this is all about today. Thank you very much. Be happy, stay happy, and spread your happiness level to all. Any of your doubts, beta? Any clarifications? So happiness is basically about a combination of 3 aspects of life. You should always remember that is a pleasant life. Second is a good life. Third is a meaningful life. Right? So any more doubts, beta? Any queries? या कुछ और आप share करना चाहते हो? Any viewpoints? But I think you should continue these exercises. Right?
Yeah. Any questions, students? Okay. Now, who will propose the vote of thanks? Yes, Sugandha. Try.
Thank you, ma'am, so much for such a lovely and beautiful conversation. You had tell us many things which make us more optimistic for our life. And thank you so much. And we will be grateful to have more conversation and more sessions with you.
Surely, Sugandha. I'm really touched, beta. I hope you practice these exercises for at least a month. After a month, do tell me that you are practicing it or not. Remember, it is not a medicine or a pill. कि आज आपने खा ली and you will be much more happier. You have to practice it. You have to inculcate these principles in your life. Just remember, always doing shukrana and never stop, and please stop complaining. Stop complaining कि आज ये हो गया वो हो गया. Just be happy. Thank you, beta.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Any more queries?
Nidhi madam, I am coming to transfer the host control, right? Just don't end the meeting. And
Okay.
students, please remain. Yes, please remain join, right?
Thank you for being a lovely audience, all of you. Kirti, Sugandha, Meenal, Anmol,
Thank you, ma'am. You've made the
Naveen,
morning
Lakshit,
better.
Thank you,
Anuradha.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here with us.
Thank you, beta.
Recording. See you.